hindi na muna ako gagamit ng ganitong stand and ng ganitong dongle. Kasi dito sa bago kong nabili, 2-in-1 na siya. At hindi lang pala 2-in-1, 8-in-1. Inside the box, included na itong kanyang lalagyan and also high-speed Type-C to C na cable. Hindi lang siya basta laptop stand, meron na rin siya ng mga ports na nandito sa regular dongle ko. And on this stand, we can make sure na hindi siya mag-slip basta-basta and protected yung inyong laptop na ipapatong because it has a protective pad and also a stand stopper. And you can also adjust it to your preferred height kasi meron din siyang adjustable levels. Napaka-useful nito sa akin because when I'm working or editing videos, meron na rin siyang slot for SD card. I can directly plug it in dito sa stand na to. And kung kailangan ko ng external monitor, I can just plug it in using the HDMI port. Kaya, imbis na dalawa yung kailangan kong dalhin, yung stand and yung dongle, I can just simply bring this one. Medyo malaki siya, pero nandito na lahat ng kailangan ko. So, napaka-convenient, right? So, check nyo, nasa baba lang yan. And please, follow for more.